This video is about the Poland's Best Static Grass King negative ion generator that was designed for static grass applicators and flock boxes. What I'm going to do is show you in this video the pulling power of this unit. It has a 15 kilovolt static field. The setup we are looking at here is nothing more than a pan with the negative lead to the power supply and 16 millimeter grass on top of the pan. I hold over the top of it a sheet that's wrapped around a screen and attached to the negative ion generator. What you'll see is the grass stand up. I've shown you a look from a distance away so that you see the setup. Now I'm going to come in close so that you can see the actual pull power of this unit. It is quite startling, and as some of our reviewers say, it's amazing. Now I bring the sheet down, starting to get close, and look at that grass jump. It pulls straight up. As a side note, I use this method to make some very nice grass tufts for flowers. I just put dots on the paper, put it over this flock box, so to speak. In fact, it really is a DIY flock box, and I have the base for flowers. Now, there's another video that shows details of the generator itself, linked below. I hope this helps. If you have questions or comments, contact me through the comments box.